Hey, it's Rebecca here with this week's 60-second blister tip. And this one's about cleaning your blister and applying an antiseptic or something to fight the bacteria that might be there, ready and waiting to cause an infection. So there's basically a few things that you can do. Let's say 4 things. Number 1, you can hold your blister under running water. That's physically going to remove any debris that might be harbouring germs, ready and waiting to give you an infection. Number 2, you can use something like normal saline. It's not necessarily an antiseptic, but what it does is it also blasts away any debris that's sitting there and any germs that are just sitting and waiting to cause an infection. Thirdly, you can try antiseptics, so something like Betadine, something with chlorhexidine in it. They come in creams, powders, liquids, and sprays. I like the liquids or the solutions best because they get in and under blister roofs and all that sort of stuff better. And then you've got your antibiotics. So antibiotics, you can get them in creams, and obviously you can also get them in tablets, and that's when you've actually got an infection.